Hi everyone, it's Tuesday, and this is our next English lesson that I've got for you here. So it's reading another piece of information that we've got, and you can click on this link here, or type it in at home, but I'm going to read it for you because last time we missed this, didn't we? So why is the rainbow an important image? It's got a question mark there, so it's asking us a question. How do you feel when you see a rainbow? Could you pause this video now and talk to somebody about how you feel when you see a rainbow? Okay. Maybe you marvel. And can you see this word here is in bold, isn't it? It's standing out more, which might mean, I'm taking from that it might mean that we need to find out what that word means, okay? Because I'm guessing that some of you might not know what that means. You could talk to the person next to you now about what that word means. And if you're at home, talk to your grown up about what you predict that word might mean. Maybe you marvel at the colours. Does that give you a clue what that word means, maybe? Perhaps you wonder what's at the end of a rainbow. Rainbows have been important to people from the beginning of time. Read on to find out why. Some people believe that the first time a rainbow was seen was by Noah. In the Bible story of Noah's Ark, a rainbow appeared which showed the sun was coming out and the terrible storm was over. The rainbow was a sign of hope. I didn't know that some people believe that about the Bible story Noah's Ark. I didn't know that the rainbow was a sign of hope, but it came from the Noah's Ark story. In addition, rainbows are part of the myths of many cultures around the world. In Norse mythology, there is a rainbow bridge that reaches between Earth and the realm of the gods. Rainbows were bridges in the ancient beliefs of Japan and Gabon too. Therefore, the rainbow was seen as important to human happiness. There is also a famous Irish legend about a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow that is guarded by a leprechaun. As the pot of gold has never been found, there is hope that it will be one day. My mum used to always say that to me when we were in the car, when we were driving somewhere and we'd see a rainbow. She'd always say to me, "Oh, there's a rainbow, there'll be a pot of gold at the end of it. Shall we go find it?" And we'd sometimes drive and think we were driving towards the end of the rainbow, but we never found it. In South Africa, the rainbow was used as a symbol of hope and peace after a long period of white and black people being separated by their skin colour ended. To encourage everyone to come together, no matter where they were from or what colour their skin was, famous religious leader Archbishop Desmond Tutu called South Africa a rainbow nation. The South African flag has 6 colours, which is believed to link to the rainbow nation idea. Look at these different colours that you can see. I can see blue, white, green, gold or yellow, black and red, can't you? Today, all over the world, the rainbow is a symbol of hope and peace. It is believed that the spectrum of colours represents difference and the beauty of everyone, being different to one another. Celebrating and enjoying difference leads to peace, no arguments or wars. The rainbow appearing in the sky is a sign that the storm is over, which is why people see the rainbow as a sign of hope. Hope for a sunny day and better things to happen in our world. Do you know what? I love that piece of information that we've got there because I think, like before our last lockdown, rainbows do represent something, don't they? They do represent a feeling of hope and a feeling of happiness and a feeling of everybody coming together and celebrating difference as well. The colours represent difference and the beauty of everybody. So we've got here, like talking about difference. We've talked about difference in the classroom, haven't we, before? About how we all look different. Every single person in our classroom looks different. No person looks the same, do they? We all have our own voice. We all have our own fingerprints, like we've spoken about, that are individual to all of us. but we're all unique and special, you know, aren't we? We're all special, and it doesn't matter what colour our skin is, how tall we are, what colour our hair is. We have all got our own voice, and our voices are so important, and we are all important, aren't we? And we've all got something to share and offer, like we always say about our classroom. When we have children not in that day, it means our classroom isn't quite as special because it means that we haven't got all the pieces to the jigsaw in it, have we? Because we all create an amazing classroom, don't we, our class? So I want you to just read that again with your grown up at home and have a think about it. And then you can have talked about these. What ideas do you have about the rainbow as a symbol? What else have you seen the rainbow or rainbow flag used as a symbol before? If you were writing this explanation, what other information would you include? Have a go at this challenge today, okay? There's some more questions here. Have you seen any rainbow pictures in people's windows? Which I'm sure they might have started appearing again. I haven't seen as many this lockdown as I did last lockdown. I painted a rainbow in my window last time lockdown. I might do that again actually, so that when people are walking my house, it might make them feel a bit better. At the moment, we could write a sentence. At the moment, there is an illness. Or you could start your sentences with rainbows represent. People display rainbows pictures too. Rainbow pictures make people feel. When people see the rainbows, they. So you could use these stem sentences to start these sentences and carry on writing. So it's a talking activity and a writing activity today. And just to know how important that you all are, and always remember that you are really important and really special. Just the person you are, just the way you are. You're all special and unique, which means you're all different, but you're all special, aren't you? Okay, have a go at that lovely challenge today. And this is Tuesday, so there should be another work pack coming out for you tomorrow on Wednesday, but I'm going to your tomorrow's lesson is going to be your last lesson of this rainbow work pack, which I don't know if that is a good way to finish it, actually. I'll have a think. Might finish it there, but I might post another video. Okay, but I think that's a nice way to kind of finish our unit of work that we've been doing, because I think I think it was really nice. Okay. I will see you all and speak to you all tomorrow. There'll be phonics videos today, maths videos, there might be a story video today. But yeah, have a lovely day, whatever you do, and I can't wait to see the work that you're doing. See you later. Bye.